down as he began to chase George. Oh, this is on my calendar right now. This is a picture at my calendar, right, Mama?
Now you know what book it came from.
Which one?
What book are you reading?
Pancake. Curious George.
Curious George what?
Makes pancakes.
Yeah, I guess that's the book it came from then.
It's from there.
What's that book called, Henry?
Money, pancakes.
Monkey Makes Pancakes? Monkey and Pancakes?
Monkey and pancakes.
No, this is Stella.
You're going to sit over there?
No, the mama sit down.
You going to keep reading to him, Trev?
Okay. Henry, do you want to keep reading? Oh, you know?
He always says no.
He always says no.
He doesn't really mean it.
Oh. George hadn't meant to cause trouble. He'd only wanted to help. Now he only wanted to get away. Quickly, George found a place to hide. Man and his assistant and right by. But where did George go? Look, Henry, look where he is. He's on the ring toss game. See, he's on the ring toss game. See that monkey up there? There.
Pants.
And there.
And he has pants too. Whose pants?
Trevor.
Trevor?
And who's those pants? No, this. And what's your name? What's your name? What's your name, Harry? So those are Henry's pants.